So Microsoft is paying you to use Bing. Yep, Bing is still a thing. Who'd have thought? And more than that, you have to be paid to use it? Anyway, if you've seen my last video, I looked at Brave rewards and how you can earn money simply by browsing the internet. And so I thought it would be quite interesting to look at the Bing rewards to see how they compare. It's kind of slightly comparing apples with oranges because they're not really the same. Obviously Brave pays you for being able to see ads and Bing doesn't. But what you do get from Bing rewards is rewarded for just doing searches. Yeah, and other activities. Let's get into it. I do these sorts of things so you don't have to. So if you want to drop me a like just for having to do this, that would be appreciated. I'm waiting. Thank you. Microsoft assures us that Bing is not as rubbish as it used to be, but now it's paying you to prove it. So I thought, how much realistically can you make using Bing rewards, and how much do you get just by searching and just generally using Bing? So I signed up, and you get greeted with sort of gamification on filling in your profile or making sure that you do certain things, answer quizzes, which takes you through to Bing, and it's got this whole elaborate thing. Every day you can take a new little quiz that actually works through the search engine itself, and so there you can earn like 30 points. I think just today I earned 40 points, one from clicking something and 30 for answering quiz questions. And you can equally join if you so decide to at the end of this by going to the link in the description, rewards.bing.com. But I should also point out that Microsoft does not obviously have a cryptocurrency, so they don't reward you in any tokens. It's just their arbitrary points that they create themselves. So how many points do you earn? Well, you earn about 3 points for every search you do, and that's capped at 90 a day. So that means you have to do lots of searches. So if you routinely do 30 searches in a day, then why not use Bing to do your searches? It will probably take you 30 searches to find the result you need. They also then want you to come back, so they reward you for coming back as well. You get like a daily streak, but within that streak you don't have to just turn up and log in. You have to turn up, log in, and do a number of searches. So to actually keep the streak is pretty hard, to be fair. I never manage it. But not only are these not cryptocurrency, they're just Microsoft's arbitrary points, you can only use them in, obviously, their Microsoft store. And so you can redeem these for things like Xbox gift card, Roblox card, Minecraft coins. You can also redeem it within the Microsoft store itself, so against, I don't know, whatever, Microsoft on a Surface or something like that. And at the same time, you can enter sweepstakes. So now you can enter like sweepstakes to win Microsoft stuff with your points. It seems like a bit of a waste, to be honest. And you can also get things like gift cards for many different retailers, Amazon being one of them, or Zalando, and lots of different ones like that. There are probably about 10 that are on mine. Yours might be different depending on the location, but that's the sort of thing you can get back. But how far does it get you, how many points you need to do, and what's realistic? I put down as my target, I wanted to earn a $5 or €5, whatever it was, gift card for Xbox, and that requires 4,650 points. So based on the fact that you can earn a maximum of 90 a day, so 30 searches, so you have to do 30 searches per day, you can do a maximum of 90, plus you can earn, say, 30 for other bonuses, etc. Maths. It will probably take you just under 50 days to reach that point. So that's 1.5 months to earn €5 back. Now, if you're a Bing user anyway, I mean, go for it. I don't really know many people that are, for obvious reasons. But if you are, then go for it. But if you're actually trying to chase these points, like go in every day, hit the streaks, answer the quizzes, things like that, it takes quite a lot of time. Like genuinely, I think I spent half an hour yesterday getting about 300 points. It can't have even be 300. It was probably like 180. I don't know, either way. It took me a long time for the amount of points I got. And when you then do the maths and add it all together, the amount of time taken versus what you get back is really quite poor. Like, that's not passive in any way. It's a pain in the ass. Is it really worth it? Not if you're trying to make money. Like if you are trying to use your time to make money online, it's 100% not worth it. You could do so much more. Check out my user testing video. Actually, I did a video on user testing people's apps, video somewhere, and that is a much better use of your time. For about 10 minutes of your time with that, you can earn about $10. So this for that makes no sense. But like I said, if you're using the internet anyway and you're using Bing search as well, then why not get the points back for it? If for some reason after this scathing review of Bing Rewards you decide that you're going to sign up for it, just click on the link in the description and you can do it there. If you like this sort of video, check out my Brave video if you haven't seen that one already, and subscribe, drop me a comment, and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Little girls.